Alrighty. Was looking on the forums, and somebody wanted to know how to play Pontoon Boat by Ledfurd. So obviously he's from around, I don't know if he's from around Western North Carolina, but me and my friends loved this song, and it was the first song I learned how to play on guitar. It's really easy, and if you haven't heard it, you guys should check it out because it's sweet. But anyways, the opening riff sounds something like. And all you do is on the B string, by the way, guitar's in standard tuning, no capo or anything. Play the B on the 8th, slide to 10, slide to 10, play 10, slide back to 8, play 8. Go to 7, play 7, go back to 8. Okay, so 10, 8, 7, 8, slide up to 10, then back without playing it, then play 8 again and bend it. Okay, that's all the intro. Now, the song the whole way through sounds something like. And what that is it's okay, I'm going to go, since I'm terrible at strum patterns, I'm just going to play this really slow for you. That's the strum pattern for the verse. So it's just G, A minor, C, and D. And you should know what those chords are. You have, like I said, G, A minor, C, D. And the chorus sounds something like. Okay, and all that is D, E minor this time, instead of A minor, E minor, C, and then G. So D, E minor, C, G. And that's it. That's all there is to the song. Very simple, very fun to play. Every time I'm at a party or something, I always play the song. But I hope you enjoy it.